Take a ride in the 2022 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, tow hitch, navigation system, remote engine start, stability control, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.